Subject amadi matter kayada research tauriba singi oina numit tarani chumna chathagadaba research methodology course RMC ngasidagi Manipur University da hokrai. Course ase Indian Council of Social Science Research New Delhi gi senthang makhada Manipur University gi Department of Education senduna department asigi conference hall da pangthokli. Tharamadu da University asigi School of Education gi Dean Professor Premlata Maisnamna research haibasi hiram khudingmaki foundation ni. Course asana research ki lamda manglom da khumang sausinna changsin bada achawa mateng oiragani. Experts singi maikhaidigi su course asada saruk yariba singda ahen balok sing kaya fangani haibagi thazabalai. Pumnamakna su certificate khaktagi khangum se quality amadi society da kana ba pina basu honasi haiki. Panbayawadi numit tarani chumna chathagadaba course asada punna research scholar kuntra henbana saruk yari. Loinana expert kunlomna hiram kayada lecture pigadawi.
I also would like to encourage our participants to make the best of the course and seize the best opportunities out of this STEM research methodology course. All our resource persons are well expertise and well experienced, and their ability will contribute to the participants' understanding of research, and we should take our best opportunity out of in this course. We should not think only for certificate. We are here, all our resource persons are here for you, and we should try to take this opportunity.